Now we're going to go on to tip number 4, which is wiping it too tight, and I'll show you that here in a second. You can often end up with blisters. Blisters means where there's a void behind the tape, or you wiped it out so tight that there just wasn't enough to stick, and it will often appear to be stuck. But when you go to coat it, there wasn't enough adhesion and it lifts and you get a little blister like this picture here of the blisters on the ceiling. This was actually done by a contractor who tried to do his own work, and I know a lot of you try and do it, but you made some of these mistakes here and it just does not pass. So you want to make sure you get it right. Another thing that you might make a mistake with is if you put this mud on here, let's say, and you spread it out and you try and do too much and you come back and it started drying out a little bit. You don't want that. Dry spots are going to give you blisters. So avoid that one also. And tip number 7 would be using the wrong tape. And again, that'd be like using this with regular joint compound. The reason is that requires fast setting joint compound, or it's a lot more likely to crack and not stick as well. So you absolutely have to use fast setting joint compound with that.